Thank you for watching Candlestick trading video. Comments and question from how to trade candlestick charts with volume video. I couldn't understand left to the pin bar volume increase. Candlestick were bullish after pin bar volume decreases, then also bullish, and candlesticks are big in size. 1. How to interpret that? That is, should we buy while increasing volume with color change or decreasing volume with color change? There are two types, while increasing volume with color change and decreasing volume with color change. I will show you in this video. Number 2, the book you recommended explains volume-based strategy based on stocks. Will it work for Forex? Yes. Okay. And hello, can this be applied in reverse for a downtrend? Yes. And can it be applied to Forex? Yes. Okay, please explain the previous question. Okay. If you trade volume trading, I recommend 1 hour chart because 1 hour chart show the specific time zone. In Forex, the volume increases specific time, Euro and American session. I mean London time to American time, the volume increase. So indicate 1 hour chart. Okay. And the stocks are also same. Specific time of the volume increase. This is Nasdaq 1 hour chart. Volume increase specific time zone. This is American time. So watch 1 hour chart. This is basic, very important. Okay, first the euro dollar. Okay, watch 1 hour chart, and the volume increasing here, Europe time and American time. Also this day same, low volume but increasing. Okay, London time to American time. Okay, November 24th, the same. Okay, every day, Europe time and American time. Watch volume. And if volume increase and outside close, that's a trading chance. If you buy or sell. Okay, here is the volume increasing. This candle. Previous candlestick higher closes here, and the volume increasing. Next candle also same, volume increasing. Okay, we have to entry at the initial of volume increase. Okay, very important. If the outside close and the volume decrease, do not entry, but do not buy here. Okay, initial volume increase, entry. Very important. Okay. Also same, this day also same. Here is a volume increase. Okay, this day, but this one volume increase, but the candlestick, previous candlestick, high to low inside close, harmony. It must be outside close. Outside close, previous candlestick, lower closes. That's a sell entry chance. Okay, but this is harmony. Next candle also harmony. And harami, next candle also harami, but already volume decrease, so do not enter here. Okay. Do not sell here. Very important. If previous candlestick high to low inside close, do not entry. Okay. Very important. Okay, and there are two type volume increasing trade. This one, volume increase and outside close, upper side close. And also this one, volume increase, previous candlestick lower closes, outside close. That's a sell. So if the volume increase and outside close, previous candlestick higher close, then buy. If the close price, previous candlestick lower close, then sell. But here's a point, very important point. If volume increasing, we trade. But before, we have to identify volume decreases. Volume decrease continuation. We have to identify. Okay, like this one. This candle, previous candlestick, outside close, lower closes, and the volume increasing here. Okay, on the increase here, on the increase here. But before, we have to identify the volume decreasing continuation. Here is the volume decrease. Okay. Lower, lower, and higher. Okay. This is the key. So first, we have to identify the volume decrease continuation, like this. And after that, if the volume increase, then trade. Okay. Very, very important. Okay. This day, volume decrease, 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 a little bit increase, and decrease, and then increase here, then buy or sell here. Okay. In this case, previous candlestick, lower closes here, so sell here. Okay. Next candle, volume a little bit increased. Okay. How much? 10 pips or so. Okay. And it came back higher closes here, but already volume decreases here, so do not enter here, because decrease shows a trend. Okay. Okay. Here is the volume decrease, 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 and increase is here. Okay. On entry here. This candle, a previous candlestick, high to low inside close. So do not enter here, because no outside close. Okay. And the next candle, outside close, previous candlestick, lower closes, but already volume increased, so do not enter here. Okay. Very, very important. Okay. And here is there is no volume decrease continuation, because this volume decreased almost same and increased, each one by one, decrease, increase, decrease, increase. Do not trade. Okay, that's the not trading chance. We need volume decrease continuation. Okay. And after that, volume increase, that's a trading chance. Okay. And also Nasdaq, you can use it to stock trading. Okay. Here's a volume decrease, decrease, and increasing here. And this one a little bit increase. And this one clear increased, previous volume higher, so sell here. This candlestick, previous candlestick, lower closes here, volume increase. In the how much? 86, enough. And the volume increased here, already increased here. Previous volume, this volume, previous volume higher increase, so sell here. But this volume already increased. Okay, so do not enter here. And here's one more important thing. If the lower shadow or the upper shadow bigger than body size, that's a reversal sign. So if you trade reversal with this volume trading, we have to identify the upper shadow or the lower shadow lengths, okay, which bigger than body. This candle shadow bigger than body, that's the reversal sign. And also volume increasing, but the lower shadow longer than body, so reverse. Okay. and here is the volume increasing. Euro session, to American session, Euro session, low volatility, low volume. At this candlestick, volume increase. Previous candlestick, volume higher, but there is no volume decrease, so do not buy here. Okay. Here is the volume decrease here, decrease, and the volume increased. Okay, and the previous candlestick lower closes here, so you can sell it. But one more thing, end of session, I recommend avoid trade, because the volume decrease at the end of the day. So if this volume pattern appears at the middle of a session, that's okay. But the end of session appears like this, volume decrease and volume increase. That's a trading chance, but end of session we have to avoid. Okay. So in this video conclusion, if volume increase and outside close, that's trading chance. You can sell, you can buy, but before we have to identify volume decrease continuation. You can use it Forex and stock trading, any other markets. And if the volume decrease continuation appears and after that volume increase, end of session, we have to avoid. And one more thing, if the lower shadow or the upper shadow bigger than body size, that's a reversal signal. Thank you.